Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound to the sound module that we used for our retro boombox. Now, I'll include a link to this sound module. This one actually has a lot more space than the previous one that we used in our haunted radio. This one's about 16 megabytes. So your typical MP3 file or MP3 song is usually south of about 10 megabytes, unless of course you have a super long song. So you want to make sure that whatever song you get is under that limit. And the song that I used, I actually also purchased on Amazon. If you type in, for example, what I did here was Your Love by The Outfield. You can see here that they also sell MP3 files, and I got this one for $1.29. And when you click on the song you want, it's going to open up Amazon Music, and these three little buttons here on the right-hand side that you can click on, and that's where you can select that you want to buy the MP3. Okay, so you'll check out, and let me go over to the desktop, and we'll open up the File Explorer here. And when we open that up, you'll notice under Downloads, because it's going to download it, we have the Amazon Music downloaded, and I'm going to extract it. Okay, just like you extract your SVG files from us. All right, I also have some Tears for Fears in there, but this is the song by The Outfield. So this is the MP3 file. Okay, I'm going to pop that on my desktop just to make it easier for me. And then you're going to take your little sound module. There's a USB-C port on the actual hard drive, or on the actual motherboard. It's basically right next to the speaker. You're going to plug it in to your computer. Now this is a Windows machine, and we're going to open up your File Explorer, and it should come up under No Name. It might come up as something else, but check No Name usually is what it comes up with. Now you can see that I have my MP3 file already here, and what's going to happen with yours is going to come with a song pre-recorded on there. I think it's like a Christmas song. You're going to want to delete that. Okay, so you can literally take it and drag it into your recycle bin. It's going to ask if you want to permanently delete it. Hit yes. Okay. Now, one other thing too, double click on the record directory folder and make sure there are no files in there, okay? Because those also will take up space. Just look for an MP3 file in there. I've already deleted mine, but yours will probably have one, and you'll do the same thing. Literally drag it to your recycle bin. Now, one thing that you want to make sure you do is also empty your recycle bin. Otherwise, it will not be deleted off of your sound module. Okay, so I just did that. Now I'm back to the main drive for my sound module here. There's a few folders here. You don't need to worry about those. All you're going to do is take your MP3 and drag it to the main directory. Okay, and what I've noticed about this process is that it's kind of slow. For whatever reason, the device just does not take the information very fast. You can see here, typically a 7 megabyte file should not take this long, but it does. Just walk away from it, be patient, and by the time you come back, you can see here it's already at 13%. It will have uploaded. It just takes a little bit of time. And then once you're done, disconnect it. Disconnect the USB cable from the sound module, and as long as it's on, you should be able to hit the button and it should play your song.